happy day 4. I think 4. Yeah, 4. Oops, sorry. Happy day 4. It's like 9 AM and I just feel like staying in bed all day, but I need to do some stuff. I also feel a little bit under the weather, but that's okay. I'll be fine. I'll just quickly go get some honey at the shop and make. I'm gonna get some honey. I'm gonna get some honey from the shop, and I'm just gonna put on some mascara, though, because I don't want to look like a zombie. Just came back from the shop, and what I was saying earlier is I was feeling a bit under the weather, and I still do feel a little bit under the weather. So I'm just gonna make a smoothie, packed with good vitamins, and then a hot cup of tea, maybe some like ginger tea or something. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, I still have to finish all the ornaments that I started yesterday. Also, I'm gonna try to do some painting or making some more Christmas masks. The lady at the shop, she was just like, oh, I love your mask, so I might make her one. I don't know, I'd like to make her, she's really nice, so I might make her one. And yeah, just try to take it a bit easy today. I keep on doing that. I keep on like talking, thinking I'm recording, and I'm actually not. Great. So, I was saying, I've got my smoothie, and I've got my Welsh cake in the shape of a tree, of course. And I've got all the Christmas ornaments that I've done yesterday, and some twine, and I've got some red and white string as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the ornaments. I've done a couple already yesterday to try. I think they're so cute. So for the round ones, what I thought as well I could do, not sure yet, but I thought I could just write from and to, and then use this as a present tag. Not sure yet, still thinking about it, and then yeah, let's do this. Also got my Christmas movie on. Christmas spirit, check. Things with the salt dough. So I've done this, which I think is really cute. It's like ornaments, all around the tree or somewhere else in the house, I don't know yet. And then I put them all here because it was easier, but it's like all the little Christmas tree ornaments, and I'm so excited. And I've also done this on the candles, I think it's cute. And what else? Oh yeah, candles, more candles. I like candles. And I've done this with like little lace. And yeah, so far that's all I've done. Now on to something else. Not sure what. Oh yeah, probably lunch because it's like 12:30. So yeah, I'm gonna make lunch. Okay, so because I'm still feeling a bit under the weather, for lunch, I'm gonna make a Filipino dish, which is called arroz caldo. Okay, so I've had my lunch. Now I'm just feeling a little bit more cheery-ish. But yeah, I just thought I would try to do something quite fun with makeup. So yeah. Let's do this. so that's the finished look. I don't know, it's funny. I like playing with makeup. I just find it funny on my face afterwards. But basically I did like some kind of weird eyeliner with glitter. I might just fill it up because I'm not sure, I don't know. I just like it without the thing. I mean, like normal. I don't know. So we've had dinner. I didn't film that. I didn't take any photos. I'm sorry. I'm still new to this. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Tomorrow we're picking up the tree, so I'm really excited about that. And yeah, other than that, hope you liked that video. If you do, don't forget to like it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow or next time. Probably tomorrow though. Bye!